Hello, everyone. Welcome to Common Phrase of the Day, good riddance. Good riddance is typically used when you're happy to say goodbye to something unpleasant or bothersome. It can be used about people, situations, or things that caused frustration or trouble. Here are some sample sentences. The noisy neighbors finally moved out. Good riddance. I had to get rid of that old broken car. Good riddance to all the repairs and headaches. She quit the group project because she didn't want to work. Good riddance. Now we can focus without her complaining. This phrase is often said in a casual or even a joking way, but it can also sound harsh depending on the situation. Be careful when using it about people, as it can come across as rude or dismissive. However, it's great for expressing relief about problems going away.